My Gamo, my bone collector. You see, there you go, right there. I got this big ass mount from I forgot what shop I went to. It was a shop in I think Manteca or Stockton, and it's a center point 416 by 40. Great gun. The only problem I have is with, hold on, see, with these little screws right here, they tend to get loose, and this little number thingamajig tends to get loose also. I don't know how to keep it tight or keep these tight. Same on this side. You see how it's really loose, and I don't know how to keep them tight. I don't want to tighten it really tight and then something breaks and then I'm fucked. But it's a great gun. It's awesome. I like it, but it's kind of heavy. And that's about it.